Sometimes a client may want to review our CAD drawing, but they don't have AutoCAD. So a DWG file isn't helpful. At times like these, we can ship our client a DWFX file. DWFX stands for Design Web Format, and a DWFX file can be opened or printed from a current version of Internet Explorer. On my screen, I have a finished drawing. Let's say I'd like to send this drawing to a client for their review. And let's also say that my client doesn't have a version of AutoCAD. What I'm going to do is plot this drawing as a DWFX. I'll do that by launching the plot command. And then, regardless of the printer I was using, I'm going to click this flyout and I'll select DWFX ePlot. This is a virtual printer that is installed automatically with AutoCAD. And that's all I have to do. I'll come down and click OK. And I'm going to save this inside the Chapter 17 folder inside our Exercise Files directory. I'll accept the default file name and I'll click Save. The file I just created can be opened natively in Internet Explorer. I'm going to open my Windows Explorer. I'll jump out to the desktop. We'll open up the Exercise Files folder, and I'll come down and open up Chapter 17. Here's the DWF file that we just created. I'm going to right-click. I'll come down to Open With, and I'll select Internet Explorer. Now, if you're not seeing Internet Explorer on your system, you can select Choose Default Program, come down and select Browse, navigate into the Internet Explorer folder, and the executable is right here. Since Internet Explorer is selected, I'm going to click OK. And this is how my client can review the drawing. I can roll my scroll wheel or use these sliders to pan around in my drawing. Underneath the page flyout, I have access to my zoom controls where I can zoom in and out. Likewise, I can press Control+ or Control- to zoom. If I'd like to print the drawing, I can use the icon right here. Using the DWFX format, our client can view or print our drawings without the need for a special viewer. I'm going to close this, and we'll return to AutoCAD. Plotting our files to the DWFX format allows our clients to collaborate on the design process even if they don't have AutoCAD. So long as they have a current version of Internet Explorer, they can view or print our drawings.